Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, right here in beautiful Panama City Beach. I'm standing here with a brand new model Harris Cruiser 230, 23-foot tri-tune. Folks, this is an amazing boat. It's a new model, and there's really something cool I want to show you about it. As we walk here to the back, you'll see that it's equipped with a Mercury 154 stroke. You got plenty of power to go anywhere and do anything you want to. And look at the nice, wide, long boarding ladder. So come on up aboard. There's something really neat I want to show you. Hey folks, okay, here we are aboard the Harris 230, okay? We're right here on the bow of the boat, and there's a few things I just wanted to highlight. One thing that Harris does, unlike a lot of other pontoon manufacturers, look at the width of this door here. It's spring-loaded, and you can get on and off this so easy. Another neat feature, what Harris does, it's spring-loaded. What does that mean? When I close this door, notice how it doesn't slam my fingers. That's great for when kids are on the boat. You gotta lift up, push down, so they can't open and close the door. That's a safety feature that's really great for the kids. You see you got plenty of seating here. If you'll come over here and look, while I'm sitting here lounging in the sun, looking at my phone, playing music to the Bluetooth stereo, look at this USB ports down here, located all throughout the boat so you can charge your phone, okay? And that's also on both sides. You got plenty of cup holders. Folks, you have storage all throughout this boat on both sides. Oh, there's your table that you get to decide whether you want to mount up front or you want to mount in the back. As we walk through the boat here, I really like this. Look at, I call this the love seat. Look at this. It's just like a love seat in the house. Oh, so relaxing. Plenty of room for 2 or 3 people. Lounge on, you can just kick back, sit long ways. You've got storage up underneath here in the helm, and you've also got storage right here. Up underneath here, you pull this, and there your cover for the boat's located under here. And look at all of the in-deck storage. Those are your poles right there for your full boat cover. But this is where you can put your skis, all your tubes, all your water toys, okay? Now, let me show you this helm. As we sit here on the helm, notice this captain's chair, how comfortable it is. A nice tilt steering wheel. Like I said, it's equipped with a nice state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line Fusion stereo system, all Bluetooth capable. All of your switches are right here. But look at this. This is a 9-inch Simrad electronics, GPS, and sonar machine. Why is that great? So you can find anywhere you go, you know where you're going. You can see all your markers, your buoys, the depth of water. But what's even better is, and what I can't wait to show you on this boat, this portion back here, folks, this particular tri-tune, we put the fishing package on. What is this right here? This, folks, is your live well. Notice I got my fishing rod here all ready to go. You got rod holders here on a tri-tune. Notice you can measure all your fish here on top. And look at these captain's chairs back here. So while you're captaining the boat, you know what I like to do? I'm gonna have that shotgunning out back, and I'm gonna wait for that rod to just bend on over so I can catch my fish. Folks, this is a great, great pontoon here. You can take this out as far in the Gulf as you'd like to. So I'd really like to show you this boat in person. I'd really like to take you out on the water on it, because then you can really see why Harris is the #1 pontoon manufacturer on planet Earth. So again, my name is Kenny Brown. Come see me here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.